Isomerism.
Two or more compounds with same molecular formula but different structure and properties is known as isomerism. This isomerism is broadly classified into two types: constitutional isomerism, stereoisomerism. The constitutional isomerism is divided into six types: chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional isomerism, metamers, tautomers, ring chain. Constitutional isomers. This type of isomer having same molecular formula but differ in their bond sequence. Chain isomerism is also known as nuclear isomerism or skeletal isomerism. This isomerism having similar molecular formula but differ in the carbon skeleton. Example: N-pentane, isopentane and neopentane. N-pentane have straight chain. Isopentane and neopentane have branched chain. Position isomerism. This isomer have same molecular formula but differ in the position of substituent or functional group or unsaturated linkage. Examples: pent 1-ene, pent 2-ene is a position of unsaturated linkage. 1-chlorobutane and 2-chlorobutanes are position of substituent. Pent 2-one, pent 3-one is position of functional group. Functional isomerism. Different compound having same molecular formula but different functional group. Example: propanol CH3CH2CHO, acetone CH3COCH3. Propanol is a aldehyde functional group. Acetone is a ketone functional group. Metamerism. This is special kind of isomerism. Unequal distribution of carbon atom on either side of this functional group. This compound having same molecular formula but different alkyl groups are attaching to the either side of same functional group. Example: methyl propyl ether, diethyl ether. Functional group is ether. One side present in methyl group and another one side is present in propyl group. Another example is both sides are present in ethyl group. Another one example is ketone, diethyl ketone and methyl propyl ketone. Tautomerism. A single compound exists in two readily interconvertible structures that differ markedly in the relative position of at least one atomic nucleus, generally hydrogen. This tautomerism are classified into two systems: diode system and triode system. The diode system, hydrogen atom oscillating between two directly linked polyvolatile atoms. Example: hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen isocyanide. Carbon and nitrogen atom are polyvolatile atom. Triad system. This tautomerism is known as keto-enol tautomerism. 1,3 migration of hydrogen atom from one polyvolatile atom to another within the molecules. Example: acetaldehyde. The keto molecule is converted into enol form. This process is known as enolation. Keto form is stable, enol form is not stable. Ring chain isomerism. This compound having same molecular formula but differ in bond of the carbon atom to form open chain and cyclic chain. Example: propene. Propene is a open chain. Cyclopropane. It is a cyclic structure. Like, share, subscribe.